Hello there Algarve lovers and welcome back to our channel. And today I'm in East Algarve in Tavira and I've just come to the water tower where allegedly there is a beautiful 360-degree view. So come and join me guys. Oh guys, this is a bit of a climb. Some lovely views though. Gotta be fit to get up here. Well, there's the view of the Roman beach from the watermill. It did say there was a 360-degree view, but not today guys. So come and join me for a little walk around this lovely town. Well, the water tower wasn't exactly what I was expecting. I thought I was going to be able to walk around the top of it, which is up there. But instead it's like a slideshow. And then next to the water tower is the castle. And you got the mini train in the background there. I've still not been on that. I'll have to go on it one day. We'll drop down into the centre and I'll show you some nice things and places to go. This Tavira restaurant, got stunning views up there over Tavira. That is what I thought I was going to see from the water tower. Lovely town. Let's drop down and take a look. If you are thinking of coming for a trip to the water tower or castle, make sure you've got good walking shoes on, and it's not for the faint-hearted. Even if you're pretty fit, you'll struggle. If you're into your fado music, there's fado.com Heristia. The next show is 6:30 tonight, so they have a show every day. And that's at the bottom of the hill from where the castle is. We'll pop out into the square. So back onto the main street, where they have lots of bars, restaurants and cafes, and little streets off it. And this is the main square. So if there's ever any entertainment on here, this is where they have it. In fact, looks like there's something partially being built now. All the restaurants are really nice. Great location. There's a tourist information centre just beyond them cafes as well. We're going to have a walk along the river Giloa, as I was pronouncing it, Giloa before today. So there's the stage set up guys, don't know what's going on or when. So walk along the riverside, we should come to a bunch of restaurants and bars. It looks like we're coming towards the end of the season here. Looks like we've missed most of the live entertainment. I think they've had like jazz concerts on here. So I think there's 3 bridges that cross the river. That one is the Roman bridge. So we've got loads of restaurants just across from the river. That one's a very popular one on the right hand corner there. And then where the old market used to be, which is right in front of us, it's all restaurants now. I have eaten there, but it was many years ago. It's a great location for lunch. You can't beat that. It's actually a really pleasant day today I should say. It's been really hot over the past week or so, like into the high 30s, and over the last couple of days it's been really overcast and humid. So today the sun's popped out, there's a quite nice breeze, it's not too hot. There's kids entertainment area, and then just in front of me is where you can catch the ferry boat over to Tavira Island, and that is highly recommended. If you do come to Tavira, you must take a boat over to the island. It's absolutely beautiful. At this end of the island there's about 8 restaurants and bars, beautiful beach. You can hire sunbeds, umbrellas, there's water sports there. You can get a private taxi if you don't fancy the commercial boat. You can actually get boat tours as well. So it looks like it's $250 return for adults. That's a bargain. So there's one of the ferry boats. I think there's 2 that are running at the moment. They just continually go back and forth to the island. There's the queue for the ferries. We've got loads more restaurants and bars all the way down to the new market, which has replaced the old market I just shown you before. Well, I'm going to pop over to the other side of the bridge. I'll show you another little square with loads of restaurants in it. And hopefully we can finish off at the Black Anchor, which is the only traditional Irish bar here in Tavira. Let's go and check it out, guys. So cutting across one of the bridges, some beautiful apartments there overlooking the river. Wouldn't mind staying in them. Just nip down the back streets and see what bars and cafes there are. Pizzeria Fenicia. Not very many people in there at the moment. Cafe Espero I should say. Typical Portuguese, nice and cheap in there. And the Sitio Cafe, and another Mr. Pizza place there. Gotta say the houses are beautiful over here. Loads of character to them. So on the other side of the river, right near the Roman bridge, is where you can get the mini train. We're going to cut through here to a lovely little square with lots more bars and restaurants on it. Quite a cute restaurant down the back streets here. This is where you get good value for money. Right, so we turn left here. It's the first time I've seen that restaurant before, actually. But just in front of us now is another square, which I've been to many times before. Now all these restaurants, these are all double fronted, so you can either sit this side in the shade. You've got an Indian restaurant there, or you can eat this side where the main road is. So you got restaurants on both sides of the road. I think there's about 2 or 3 Indians in this small vicinity. You okay?
Now make a video here.
I've been many times, mate, yeah? So there's 2 next door to each other. When we first came over, I think 13 years ago, it was one of the first restaurants we went in, that Indian restaurant. Because we were on a campsite literally about 1 kilometre from here. So you got your more traditional Portuguese restaurants over there. Sabores de Churisco, that's the Brazilian all-you-can-eat meat. That's a nice one. This is quite new, this one. Don't know what it's called. Looks very nice. That's the Brazilian one, that here. And you've got your typical Portuguese. Ford Algarve kitchen open. Always work going on in Tavira. It's really expanding. You can see there's still loads more buildings to be taken and refurbished. More pizza places. You like the Italian restaurants over here? Well, where we're going to go to, there is another Italian restaurant, but next to it is the Irish bar. So pop down here. Sometimes you have live entertainment on outside these bars as well. No, we're not we're not lucky enough today. That's really a nice setting, isn't it, guys? The Roman bridge, the river, and some beautiful restaurants. So I'm going to pop in here in 1 minute and grab myself a Guinness. I'll just show you this other lovely Italian restaurant, Beira Rio. And this is the Italian terrazza restaurant. I'm not actually eating in there, but it's supposed to be really nice. Cracking view as well. So let's pop in the Black Anchor. So at the back of the pub, we've got a really nice shaded area, little garden. Really nice and cute, that. Got TV screens up as well when the football's on. Really nice. Well, it's arrived, so let's give it a go. Yep, failed miserably again. I only do it on purpose, so I've got to have another one. So guys, I hope you liked this tour. If you did, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.